Today I will be reviewing the Adidas XL V Backpack. I ordered this backpack to carry items such as a tablet, laptop, and a few other devices when I'm on the go. This Adidas backpack just screams style and sports with its gold logo and mesh design fabric. This backpack feels very sturdy and the load spring really helps when carrying heavy items. There are so many compartments to this backpack. Some even have a tricot lined interior that feels like soft velvet to protect media items you don't want to be scratched, such as a phone. I really like the inside of this backpack as it fully opens and has even more zipper compartments and a larger pocket area with the tricoat lined interior. The pros I experienced with this backpack are great design and color combination, very lightweight and sturdy. It includes 2 water bottle holders. The load spring shoulder straps made this backpack very comfortable. It has a ton of zipper compartments and it has a lifetime warranty. Overall, this Adidas backpack is perfect, and as a soccer fan, it is just awesome. It has a great overall sport design to it with the perfect color combination. I highly recommend this product, and with the lifetime warranty quality guarantee, it is worth the investment. Therefore, I rate this product a 5 out of 5 stars. Hope you like this review and let me know if it helped you out.